Hi, this is GCER from Team 18-0144, or Palm Desert High School Robotics, and this is our video submission for the Judges' Choice Award for the KISS Award. And so the robot that I'm going to showcase is our Create Robot. So this Create Robot has gone through a very long and tedious engineering process. We've gone through multiple prototypes, and a lot of those we've taken apart. However, one of them we kept, and this was one of our earliest designs, and this robot, or this prototype, achieves exactly the same as our current robot. However, it was a lot more complicated and a lot more heavy than it needed to be. So we still have so we had a pulley system with some fishing line in order to lift Bach guy to the desired height of the tram, which is about 13 inches off the ground. And so that achieved it very effectively. However, it was very complex, and run after run, sometimes some parts would break, the gears would unmesh, and it would move freely, and we didn't want that. So instead we went back to the drawing board, and instead we went to various other designs like one motor or one servo movements instead of one and one motor as well. And then we started to work with, instead of fishing line, we started to work with just directly mounting it and directly moving it up and down with a pivot. And so eventually, after all these other prototypes and designs, we ended up with our final design, which is very light, effective, and works close to 100% of the time on the board. So we utilize two servos in order to make sure that's able to lift up our effector and the pretty heavy Bach guy to the desired height of the tram. So these two servos are directly mounted to a very light metal strap arm, which is connected to our servo for our Lego claw. So this design not only is very light, but it's very effective and it's very consistent. And therefore, going from this was our first prototype, going all the way to this, it's been a very long journey, but it's been very effective and full of a lot of lessons for both me as a future computer scientist and future engineer, and the rest of my team.
If you would like to learn more about our team and our accomplishments, please stop by our pit. We are more than happy to share.